Give me 8 minutes of your time and I will show you how to make money online by testing apps and testing websites to make money really quick on the internet. I'll be showing you real-time emails that were sent to me personally on testing websites and testing applications using this particular platform. So if this is something you're interested in watching, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. And drop a comment in the comment section. Let's get straight into today's topic. So my name is Jessica Omo and I talk about how to make money online on here for people like you who has clicked on this video to watch today, and I give realistic reviews of platforms like this. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make real money by testing apps and testing websites and making real money online. This website pays you to test websites and applications. Companies need real feedback, and that's where we come in as testers. You could make money which could cover for your bills or your transports, not cover your rent in the UK, but this is sufficient money to cover your feeding in a week or in a month, depending on how often you use this platform. All you need to do is sign up, take a short qualification test, and once you're approved, you start getting real tests to partake in. Most tests involves navigating a website, finding a product, or answering simple questions. Some even require screen recording your experience of using a particular platform. In this email, which was sent to me, it was more like they were looking for testers to try out a particular network provider. If you're in the UK, we have Vodafone, we have Three, we have O2 network providers, so various network providers. So they're looking for people to try out a particular network provider just to see your own personal experience and giving your own personal feedback to that company. So you see big companies look out for testers who can test their application or their website just to get realistic feedbacks from people like us. And the best part of it is that they pay directly to your PayPal account. They pay from a range from £5 to £50. They even pay more depending on the kind of test you qualify for. This test is not restricted to anyone. So if you're a student, if you're a worker, if you work any kind of job, a professional job, you could even be a doctor, you could be an accountant, you could be a software developer, you could be a manager, you could be among the top board of directors. So anyone can have this website/application on their phone and take tests and make real money. So guys, I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to use this particular platform step by step, and I'm going to show you how they send me taxes to my email as well. So make sure you don't stop watching this video and let's move to the next section. So this is one of the tests they sent to me. As you can see, hi Jessica, and the report payout is £41.52. So you will get paid £41.52. So the test is expected to happen between Friday, December 13, 2024 and Wednesday, January 15, 2025. So they give you a stipulated amount of time on when you can consider doing that test. So that's to show you that the platform is flexible. So this is just one of the tests that they've sent to me. But now I'm just going to go on the platform and show you how to register. This is the tester bed platform. So clearly it states here, not a member, let's fix that. So you put in your name, your last name, your username. So you create a username of your choice, your password. Then you enter your date of birth and you say let me in. So join us. Why be a test bed? Fair payment. Earn money by telling us your opinion about software, like I literally said in the beginning of my video. The payments are proportional to complexity of the task, like I said. A regular usability test, you would earn around €20 or £15, for example. There are usually a fixed amount for your test report and additional payments for every bug defect you find. If you find serious technical bugs, you earn even more. Flexible hours, use your device. Privacy, so there's data protection. Most of your clients, DHL, Audi, real users, real impact, and you can see they deal with people from different parts of the world. So it's not just the UK or the Western world. So different people, parts of the world. All right, so let's go and sign up. So the top 10 beds, as you can see, these people have 82,000 plus experience points. So these are people that probably be doing more tests on this platform. So that's why they have more points. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to try to create a new account and take you through how it is. So I'll be using, then I create a password and I select my location. I put in a random date of birth. What's today's date? 23rd February. So I'll say I was born 23rd of February 2001. So this is me just going through the platform like I'm a newbie. Alright, so this is me with a new profile. So what I'm just going to do now is say hello Jessica Omo, add your devices. So you select the devices you want to add. Then let's say we have a smartphone. So you're going to put in adding your smartphone, what manufacturer OS version. So let's say we're going to put in an Apple device, right? So Apple model, we put a model. Let's say we're using, what phone am I using? This one. So OS version, it has to be the latest version. So you're just going to keep on scrolling down, which is, I think I'll just put this one. Then browser, I'll put Chrome. I think I'll just type it in because I think that's better. So Chrome. Then you can add more browsers if you want to. Antivirus if you do have one. Network provider if you're using one. I use 3. You use 3. No, I don't use 3. So let's say for example, I use mobile by Sainsbury's. So you just put in your data and you click on save. So your record has been saved. So test, my invitations, my crowd, bed, school. So you can navigate through all of this just to read what it's about, testing course, bugs. Now they said that if you point out more bugs, you get more payment. Community, refer friends. So here you can invite your friends and family to join tester beds with your personal link. When someone uses your referral link to register as a tester on our Nest, you will earn community points. So you earn points here. It's easy, just share your link. So they don't say that they pay you for referring. So that means even me that I'm promoting this video, I'm not getting paid. So don't think anybody paid me to come and talk about the platform. This is me just helping people. So help, you can watch video tutorials on how to, so introduction to the Nest computer. So how to add a device from your computer, how to add a device from your smartphone. So they give you detailed video on how to use their platform as well. You can contact customer service as well. Community, bed news, so you can find out what's happening. So you can bed school, we've seen that payment, so you can see how much you have that has been sent to your account. Tests, my tests, so you can look out for your test, my invitation, crowd surveys. So they will send you an email to take a test. The last time when I registered, they did send me an email to take a test, just to what kind of person I am and what kind of test they'll be sending to me. This is just knowing who you are. And you can add more devices in this lower button. So you can add your laptop, you can add your tablet. So I can add my laptop, add the OS version, architecture, that's if it's like 64 bits, 34 bits, the browser, and that's it. And if you have antivirus, and if you have accessories, internet provider. So that's simply how to use it, and I hope this video was really helpful. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video to this very extent, and make sure you leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what country you're from so I can create content more in your country that you will make money online from. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel, as we love it when you drop a comment, like, share and subscribe as well. Bye guys.